Welcome back. The MQL is quietly dying, and the teams that win in 2026 have already replaced it. Today, why form fill GTM is broken, the 12 buying signals that replace it, the workflow that turns a signal into a meeting, and the pipeline math. Two assumptions broke. First, 67% of B2B buying research now happens before anyone fills a form. Buyers research on Google, ChatGPT, Reddit, and G2 first. Second, chasing form fill volume just attracts ICP misfits. Result, MQL to closed one sits at 1 to 3%, meaning 97 to 99% of your MQLs never become customers. Signal-based GTM replaces it in three layers. Capture, infrastructure that detects buying signals, visitor ID, intent, technographics. Scoring, AI ranks accounts by signal density, ICP fit, and recency with an operator validating. Orchestration, operator-led outreach to the buying group. MQL is reactive, you wait for the form. Signal-based is proactive, you detect the buyer while they research. 12 signals predict a purchase. Ranked by lift, the strongest, a product trial hitting a usage threshold. 5.6x, a competitive comparison page visit. 4.1x, a technology churn signal. 3.8x, a G2 category page. 3.5x, a warm account visitor ID. 3.4x, a pricing page visit. 3.2x. Stack 2 on one account, and the lift compounds past 8x. Turning a signal into a meeting is a 6-step workflow. Detect in real time. Enrich the account in under a minute. Validate ICP fit. Reject the non-fits. Map the buying group, champion, decision maker, influencer, blocker. Then operator-led outreach, drafted by AI, approved by a human, all inside 24 hours of the signal firing. And it converts because you reach the buyer at peak intent. Signal triggered outreach replies at 8 to 22% versus 1 to 4% for MQL. It books at 35 to 55% versus 18 to 28, and the biggest variable is speed. The first 24 hours converts 3.1x better than a week later. So the pipeline math is decisive. MQL converts to close one at 1 to 3%. Signal accounts at 6 to 14, a 2.4 to 4x lift. Sales cycles run 46 days instead of 78, 41% shorter. Win rates 30 to 48% instead of 18 to 24. Put it together and a $5 million MQL pipeline becomes about 12 million. Same headcount. The stack has 6 layers. Anonymous visitor ID, RB2B, Clearbit, 6 cents, third-party intent, Bomber Up, technographic built with HG Insights, hiring and executive signals, LinkedIn and Apollo, product analytics for PQL triggers, Mixpanel, and a CDP layer, high touch or sensors, to route each signal into HubSpot or Salesforce. This is where GrowthSpree is different. Most agencies run MQL and optimize form fills or watch one signal. We architect the full 12 category stack, get from signal to operator approved outreach in under 24 hours, and orchestrate the whole buying group, all at $3,000 a month flat. And it shows up in results. Price labs, 0.7 to 2.5x ROAS via signal-based ICP refinement. TrackG, 4x trials at 51% lower cost using PQL signals plus orchestration. Rocket Lane, 3.4x ROAS and 36% lower cost per demo through warm account visitor ID and buying group mapping. To recap, MQL is broken, 67% buy before a form, and it converts at 1 to 3%. Signal-based GTM detects in-market accounts across 12 signals and orchestrates operator-led outreach before any form. The workflow runs in under 24 hours. The math, 2.4x conversion, 41% shorter cycles, a 5 million pipeline becoming 12. If you're still optimizing for form fills, you're chasing the 33% and missing the 67% who actually buy. Book a free 45-minute audit with GrowthSpree's senior operators. Will surface your top 3 pipeline leaks. Thanks for watching.